Last question. It was a little bit more than this, but there are 4 data points shown here and the least square regression line. If I look at that, I can see that that line of best fit, the least square regression line, has a positive slope. And the question is, which one of those data points have positive residuals and which one has negative residuals? I'll remind you that the residual, right, a residual is equal to the actual value minus the predicted value. And if I look at it, this point C has an XY that describes it, right? Its X is somewhere around, bigger than 2.5, like maybe perhaps 2.6. So it's got an X value, and it also has a Y value associated with it, which is somewhere bigger than 11 but less than 12. And also the model itself, right? This line of best fit, it predicts that this is where the y should be, right? For this same x of 2.6, it's making a prediction that y should be somewhere here, bigger than 8 but less than 10, right? Somewhere, actually, it looks like it's bigger than 9 too. Well, the distance between this gap right here, if you will, is the residual. And again, if I take the actual value and subtract this one, I end up getting a positive value here. This one also has a positive residual, right? It turns out anything data point that's above the line is going to have a positive residual. This one has a very small negative residual, and this has a negative residual. It looks like in terms of absolute value, A and D have smaller residuals, B and C have larger residuals. But I think the question was, which one of those has positive residuals? That would be points C and D. C and D have positive residuals. And which one has negative residuals? That would be A and B. A and B are below the line of best fit. They have negative residuals.